Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Alexis. So today I'm going to be doing an updo for you on my short hair. All you're going to need to do this hairstyle is just use a clip, some bobby pins, and some small rubber bands. So starting, I'm just going to take a small section in the front of my head, which is usually just my bangs, and I'm going to pin them with a clip, and then I'm going to pull at the front of it just to make it voluminous. Then I'm going to take a section on both sides of my head, and I'm going to include the hair from the clip, and then I'm going to tie it off with a small rubber band. Now I'm going to pin the ponytail to the front of it so the hair's not in the way. I'm going to divide my hair at the bottom, and I'm going to do some ponytails at the bottom. Now that I have the hair sectioned off, I'm going to take the remaining hair that's down and I'm going to smooth it back and put it in a ponytail using a small rubber band, and I'm going to position the hair to where it's going upwards instead of just straight out. Now I'm going to section off another part of my hair, and I'm going to make another ponytail and make sure to include the hair from the ponytail of before. Now I'm going to take all the rest of the remaining hair and include the ponytails in with it, the hair from the ponytails into it, and then I'm just going to put it all up in a ponytail. And if I have any kind of hair that's hanging down on my sides, I'm just going to take a mini bobby pin and just pin it to where it'll blend in with the ponytail. Alrighty guys, this is the finished hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.